Welcome to the Royal Naval Dockyard. My name is Tim and I'm here to host you the Living Arts Tour of Dockyard. We're going to go and visit a group of artists in the Royal Naval Dockyard, all of whom take advantage of the rich history and the beautiful nature of this gorgeous island. It wouldn't escape anybody that there are many fine artists in the Dockyard inspired by the local area and the rest of Bermuda. And for the last couple of years I've been taking people into their galleries and we've been looking at their art form, from paintings through to pottery. What I decided to do this year is to add in another element. Brewing is an art. It's chemistry, it's cooking, it's creating a product that people can be proud of. And so Arts and Craft Beer Tour this year is going to focus not just on the artists, but also on the Dockyard Brewing Company. Cheers!